So COVID has been a pivotal turning point for many of us and as also organizations and how they're approaching the employee experience. So what this slide looks at is comparing the COVID-19 era with 2019 results. So what we found is 11% more employees cite weak corporate culture as the greatest source of workplace conflict. So we're seeing more of that. And I'm sure you're all hearing about culture and appreciating that people are now looking at that when they're thinking about career changes they want to make. There was 11% decrease in employees' ability to say no to unreasonable requests from their managers. So I feel like this is sort of like in the ether here. We're all feeling pretty overwhelmed right now and many overburdened with tasks. And there have been shifts in structures and the way people are approaching things. And many people are finding it hard to say no to their managers as more and more is added to their plate.